Hello, children. I hope you all are fine and might have done with your periodic test too very well. Now, let us come back to our studies on a very interesting subject, that is EVS. Let us continue with our new chapter, that is chapter number 18, Keeping Healthy and Fit. As you all know that good health keeps us active, strong and fit. We should always follow the rules of good health, right? Like some good habits. That is, we should go to bed early, we should take a bath daily, we should brush our teeth, and so many good habits. As all these good habits and it will keep us and give us a good health and hygiene. The rules that are we should follow, that is, keep yourself clean, exercise daily, have a good food habits, sleep well. These all are the points that we should follow and will get a good health. Now let us see it one by one, that is keeping clean. We should always keep our body clean. You know why? Because it will keep us away from different types of diseases. That's why we should brush our teeth daily, twice. Okay, we should brush our teeth twice in a day, early in the morning and also before going to bed. You might be knowing this, right? Then next is washing our hand. We should wash our hands before and after every meal. Not only after meal, but whenever we touch something, when we come from outside, we should wash our hands properly. Okay. As nowadays you all know that so many disease have been spread. Okay. So to avoid all this, we should keep ourselves clean, and to avoid germs, we should wash our hands with Dettol, or we should use sanitizers. Nowadays it is available. Okay. Next, we should also comb our hair and put oil properly. We should keep our hair also neat and clean, as all the parts of our body are very important. So we should keep all them neat and clean, like combing and oiling our hair, and wearing neat and clean clothes. We should wear neat and clean clothes, as daily we should put our clothes for washing. Even though if you are coming to school, we wear uniform, we should use neat and clean uniform daily. We should put our uniforms for washing. Okay. We should also must use clean cloth, clean handkerchief to wipe our nose, and also cover our nose when we cough, when we sneeze, with a clean handkerchief, neat and clean handkerchief. We should also keep our nails too clean, right? Because when our nails grow, so there are so many dirty things will go inside that, if we will not cut and keep it clean, and that same thing will go inside our stomach and we will fall sick. So we must keep our nails short and clean. Daily exercise. We should always exercise daily. You know why exercise we have to do daily? As it is good to exercise every day. Exercise keeps us fit and healthy. Okay. Playing outdoor games, also doing exercise and playing outdoor games. While playing outdoor games also keep us healthy and strong. We must stand and walk with our back straight. While sitting also, we should keep our back straight. Many times we are giving reminders in our school, right? Sit straight. So that is just to keep our body straight. Okay. Next comes over your good food habit. We should always follow a good food habit. It means we should intake cereals, pulses, green vegetables, fruits, milk, all the things we should take. Okay, we should avoid all junk foods and we should take all this healthy food. Okay, These all these things are a part of our daily food. Okay, these types of diet help us to grow properly. Our body will grow. Okay, we will get nutrients, proteins, vitamins from these things. It also protects us from diseases. This type of diet is called a balanced diet, a healthy and a balanced diet. Like all the things should be covered in a diet. Next comes over here. Here we have to say no to some things. We have to say no to some things. What are the things? We should say no to chips, fried things, chocolates, too much sweets, toffees, cold drinks. These all things are not good for our health. As we say these things that these are called junk foods. Okay? And we should always avoid uncovered food. We should not eat an uncovered food from outside vendor. Okay, uncovered food, stale food, food bought from roadside vendors, it makes us sick because flies, insects are there. Okay, they sit on these things and they spread diseases. So we should avoid eating from outside the uncovered food. Next comes over here, sleep well. Sleeping is also one of the very important thing. Do you know that? Our body needs rest. As throughout the day we work, we get up early, we go to school, we do study, we go for tuitions and so many things we play, all the things we do. But we must need rest. We should take rest. We must go to sleep early. We must wake up also early too. We must sleep for at least 8 to 10 hours every day. We should never cover our face while sleeping. This is one of the tip I am giving you here, that we should not cover our face while sleeping, as we need to breathe. You know that we are breathing? Yes. We need to breathe also. When we sleep also we need to breathe. So we should not cover our face while sleeping. We must keep ourselves healthy, fit, and active to do all our work. If we will be healthy, fit, and active, we can do all the work very fast, very quick. We will be attentive also while studying. So many things we will get from all these things. Okay, so thank you, children. Here I am giving you one message: be healthy and happy, and take care of yourselves. Thank you very much.